Good morning, people. Welcome you all back to my channel. Once again, this is Djmahaneet. Another day, another ride. Today is 18th of June, Sunday. And if you've seen my earlier log, I've taken delivery of this beautiful machine, the KTM 390 Adventure SW, or the Rally Edition. It was an unofficial delivery, as the launch is today at Palace Grounds, and the KTM guys have invited all the potential buyers and people who have booked the bikes for the launch event here at Palace. So we're going to go to the showroom and from there ride to Palace Grounds. I'm not sure if I'm late and they've already left, but let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. The time right now, it's 9:12 a.m. I was supposed to be there at 9 a.m. Got a bit delayed getting ready. So I'm going to rush to the showroom and catch you guys on the other side. So that's our showroom ahead, the KTM Make3 Circle. Everybody's waiting for me, I think. Let's park it here. So, as you saw in the videos, there are about 60-70 odd bikes that there are I think more than 30 brand new ADVs, the 390 ADVs. We have to be in a formation and then head to Palace Grounds from here. It's nice to be going such a big group. After a long time I'm doing such a ride. Since today is the launch, I thought let me not miss this one. So I wonder how will they take the right on Make3. There is a right actually. In the signal, I'm sure the formation was great. So we are at Chamara, Vajra, for the World Motorcycle event. So all the 390 ADVs waiting for the launch. Quite a few bikes today. The SW version is going to be coming on the stage for the launch, but I think I got to rush, so I'm not going to be here for the launch. Got some work, so I'm going to be taking off from the WND World Motorcycling Day event here for the launch of the 390 ADVs. Check out all the ADVs lined up for the launch, the SW versions, and that's my bike. I'm going to be leaving for the day. All the people, all the bikers, lots and lots of bikers having a good time on stage, dancing, singing, partying. It's going to be a fun day for the bikers today. I'm going to be bidding adieu to this beautiful event as I've got some other commitments. So hope you like the WND and the launch of the KTM 390 SW Adventure SW version, the rally edition. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My channel is Djmahaneet, as you already know, and also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet.